Good morning guys. Ang activity po natin ngayon guys is maglilifting uli. Yan po ang aming ililifting. Mga porta cabin guys. Nasa bigat na 7 tons ang isa guys. 7 tons. Yan ang aming ililifting ngayon. Uupo yan guys, lahat. Uupuin namin yan. Lahat na nakikita nyong mga porta cabin na yan is bubuin namin dyan sa may semento na yan, sa may rikas na yan. Yan namin ipapato yan. Bali ano po yan guys, conference room. Yan napakalaki. Yan, bubuin po namin yan guys. Nakikita nyo po yung mga cabin na yan, may butas-butas. Ay kasi yan, bubuin. Parang puzzle pa guys. puzzle na porta cabin. Yan, bubuin po namin yan guys. Ngayon guys, hinihintay, kaya hindi ko pa nililifting. Hinihintay ko ang safety namin. Kasi may walkthrough sila ngayon. Kaya hinihintay ko pa. Bago ko ililifting yan dapat may safety. Saka ang tinitingnan ko rin dyan guys is yung wind speed. Kung malakas yung hangin, wala ating lifting guys kasi delikado. Sasayaw ang load. Selos, sasayaw ng selos. Kaya guys, abang-abang muna tayo. Hanggang yan din po ang aming bus. Naghihintay po yan kung sakaling hindi naman sana walang mangyari. Kung sakaling may yan ang rescue namin. Yan ang aming sasakyan. Kung halimbawa may nainitan, yan may fully air conditioned, pwedeng magpahinga ang tao dyan. Bali ito pala guys is natapos na. Yan, natapos na itong na-install. Yan. Ito pala ang aming permit saver. Say hi, say hi.
This one?
Yes.
Just Aram for this car.
This one Aram po?
Yes.
Yeah.
He is telling why boom offing is not working. If no work, boom down. Tell me.
Oh.
Little bit down. It is better. It is one does.
We remove first. Again this one. This one we prepare already. This one have a spreader. Very difficult to remove again.
So he is telling this. Now wind up why you like this system. So he told why like this. No,
you tell him we observe the hawa
condition.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell like this.
Yeah.
Now what is the wind speed you have?
28.
Sure? I'll say. Okay, you tell like this, huh?
Yeah.
If someone coming and telling, just we are checking wind speed.
And also we little bit waiting the.
I told him no safety. That's why
Yeah.
But he is saying just waiting safety and checking the wind speed.
Yeah. If the wind speed is coming low, we leave, no problem. But we
Safety.
only reason this one. Only one reason. Only drama reason. So ngayon guys, ayan na po. Nagtatanong po ngayon ang lift wind speed. Tanungin ko po sa operator guys kung anong speed. What is speed किधर? कितना? 28? 87? 67? This one okay, 87. Okay. Now ang wind speed is 25. kilometer per hour. Kaya okay pa guys. Kider bhai, when speed is okay, no problem.
26 point.
Yeah, 26.
I check net.
You have?
Net checking.
Ah, okay.
Net also checking.
So okay guys ha.
But it
Sa susunod naman po na video guys, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-subscribe, like and share po. Ganoon din po sa aking Facebook account. Follow, like and share po. Thank you.